This is down at the Warraba Island water storage facility. I just noticed we've just installed 6 eagle eyes, and all around here on the black catchment area, it's normally inundated with seabirds all the way around. But just on this one part of the lagoon, you see across there, there's one there, flashing there. No birds on the catchment area till we come around to that little section there. Obviously there's a blind spot. That's only where the seagulls are going. They're not going anywhere else, so there's obviously a blind spot. And just around here, it's really amazing. You might catch the flashes as through the other lagoon. You'll catch the flashing of the other eagle eyes down there. Well, compared to it, the locals say this is virtually nearly 100% improvement of what it used to be. And proof of the pudding's in the eating. That's where the seabirds are just parking themselves at the moment. Just down there. Nowhere else. They're seeking out the blind spots.